Hey, looks like I got some sun today and also a couple of really big bug bites. But I'm eating this pasta that I made with the morels and the asparagus. And I had to stop and come back and record because it's really good and I'm really impressed with it. At first I thought it was going to be very bland, but the flavor of the asparagus and the morels really comes out with the olive oil and the butter. And I don't even taste the garlic really, but I really taste the asparagus and the morel mushrooms, and they are fantastic. So thumbs up for this one. Whoops. I almost had pasta all over my lap. Hey, it's 6:30 Sunday morning and I am out in the canoe doing some fishing. I am determined to catch something before I go home, so I'm gonna keep trying. It's raining, but it's just raining a little bit, and it's pretty nice out otherwise. The sun's trying to come out, so hopefully it's gonna be a great day full of fish. It's a beautiful day here in the Haliburton Highlands. I'm having a really great time. It's Sunday morning. I went fishing this morning from about 7 to 8:30. Got a couple bites, didn't catch anything. I'm determined to catch a fish before I leave and clean it. I didn't get to eat it for dinner last night, but I'll have it for lunch or I'll bring it home. So I went out and it was raining, and it was raining a lot harder than when I was out there than when I left. So I had just worn my Marmot pants, but I was getting really cold. So I came in to change my pants, decided to have breakfast because I was starving, and did that, and then I cleaned up a little bit. So behind me you can see my tent. It's there under the tarp. Before it was only halfway under, just so I could get in and out without getting soaked, and that the rest of it ran off the back, which was great. But because it's supposed to rain again this morning, I want to dry the tent so I can put it away. I want to pack as many things dry as I can. If only the tarp is wet, that would be great. So I'm trying to dry the fly, so I actually pulled the tent forward under the tarp so that can dry while I'm out fishing. Behind me over here, there's a little countertop that someone built. It's kind of cool. Pete, the guy from the office, said that people keep trying to take stuff down because you're supposed to have it empty, and people just keep putting it back up. So they've kind of given up on taking that down, I think. And then over here is my lovely fire pit where I was sitting at last night. And then we have McEwen Lake behind me. There's the canoe. It's just kind of tied to the tree down there. It's waiting for me to come back and go fishing, and I'm going to do that right now. So, see you later. fishing. See what's really coming. There's the wind. The loon is stealing the show once again. It's Sunday, July 9th, and I am just getting ready to take off from my site on McEwen Lake in the Haliburton Highlands. I had a great time here, although I didn't catch any fish, which I'm not too happy about. I did fish for about 7 hours this weekend, but I got a lot of loon calls, and I actually saw a loon's nest, which was really wicked, and some cool wildlife, no deer or moose or bear or anything, but it was a good time, and I can't wait to come back. See you later. I'm on my way out. I'm still trying to catch a fish while I'm paddling. Hey, well, I just finished my first solo canoe trip, and I'm pretty stoked. I think solo is solo. You know, kayak or canoe probably doesn't make a huge difference except for the boat. I didn't have as much confidence in the canoe, obviously. I don't have as much experience paddling canoes as I do kayaks. But I really enjoyed the canoe. It's a beautiful boat. It's super light. The portages were amazing. I did 2 portages yesterday, there and back, so 4 times. They were just under 300 meters each, and so easy to carry the boat, even without a yoke. I just put it on my head, and if I had a little cushion there on the bottom to put on in the boat so that I could put it on my head, I could just carry it like that. It'd be great. It handles wonderfully in the wind. You've got to watch it a little bit, because if there's no weight in it, you just get kind of pushed around. When that happened, I just grabbed my kayak paddle, which I brought, and I didn't have any problem getting myself out of any jams or anything like that. Mind you, I didn't paddle in any storms, but we did have some pretty good wind gusts last night and this morning. So anyways, I made it, and I will be taking this boat out again, I hope. I really like it. Thanks so much to John from Backcountry Custom Canoes for letting me use it, and I'll see you on my next adventure. Bye!